Hey guys, in this video I will walk you through some of the best free anime websites. Alright, so let's begin. To use any of these websites, all you need is a web browser. This works on phones, tablets, laptops, and desktop PCs. It doesn't matter what device you're using, just open your browser and follow along. First up, we have Retro Crush. Go ahead and search for Retro Crush TV and open the official site. This platform is especially great if you're into classic anime. It focuses heavily on titles from the 1970s through the early 2000s. Once you're on the site, head over to the shows or genres section to filter through different categories. You'll find a lot of niche and older anime titles here that aren't always available on bigger mainstream platforms. It's completely free with ads and definitely worth browsing. Next, we have Tubi. Search for tubitv.com and open the website. You can create a free account, but it's not always required to start watching. Go to the browse section, then select genres and choose anime. Here you'll find a wide range of popular titles. Tubi offers well-known series along with hidden gems, all supported by ads. It's one of the most reliable free streaming options available right now. Moving on, we also have Pluto TV. Open the Pluto TV website and use the search bar at the top to type in anime. Pluto TV allows you to watch anime both live and on demand. One of the best things about Pluto TV is that no account is required to start streaming. It's another solid free option with ad support. And that wraps up our list of some of the best free anime streaming websites in 2026. And that's it. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.